Okay fellas, we have the best, the newest Makita or Fakita model 8 6 amps, and of course this is not genuine Makita model, and you can see this one have the nice indicator with the percentage on it for the battery. So let's open it because the charger not accepted, and let's check. This was made in Lithuania or in China. Okay, what I can see here that the BMS looks pretty good here. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, not so easy to take it out. Okay, so we have nice here. Okay, and what I can say, the sport welding is not equal. This one is overshooted. Maybe let's try to do this. Okay, so this one is overshooted, and this one looks a little bit weak. What about this one's a little bit stronger, not shooted in? Okay, what cells we have? Some kind of, okay, it's a 3000 amps, so in theoric side it have 6 amps. So let's check why it fails. Okay, what we have here: 15.9, 3.1, 3.2, 3.18, 3.16, and 3.2. So basically I think it fails because it's out of balance. And what can I do in this case? Probably I can try to balance it. Let's take our balancer. Okay, now we know that the plus is on the left, plus is here, the minus is here, and for this one I need to go from the minus to the plus, I think. Yep. And someone always spinning these wires around. Okay, so we have the minus. I will connect it here, or I can connect it here. Probably it's better to connect it near the cell. Okay, let's check where I can connect this one. Maybe I can take it like that. Nope. Not very strong connection, but it's still connected. Here we have lifted nickel, so that will help for us to the balancing port, and I am starting to see the voltage here, 3.13, 3.205. Okay, let's check if I will get this one. Yep, it's a 3.169. Okay. Catch this one and this one on the plus. Okay. So what we want to do now, we want to balance it, and okay, we have the balance, we have the Xeon, and we want to reach the, let's say, 3.455S for the amps. They leave 3, of course it will not work on the maximum. Okay, So as we have the 3.13, 3.15, 18, 19 and so on, it will start to balance, changing the voltages and so on. So I will just leave it aside and get back with it when this one will be done, and then I will check if the gen charger accepted. Okay, we have done the balance, and you can see that we have 3.45, 45, 45, 46. Okay, so it's okay, it's a good voltage now. And of course the question of the day is, will it accept the charge? I have 41, it was 17. And let's try to bring the charger here. Now charging the other customer battery with the same charger, and definitely it works. So let's try this one. Now it instantly shows fail, so that can mean only one thing, that we need a new BMS for this one, and basically I think it's not worth it.